So this is the first screen you'll see when you open up Fresco. And then what you want to do here is create a new document. And so there's two ways to do that. One way is to click on Create New, and you'll see all the options here. Or you can also click on Custom Size here. It's basically the same, except that this one, when you create a custom size, um, when you click on custom size, it gives you a bigger window for you to change the dimensions of your document if you want to be really specific with it. I'm just gonna create something that's already been done for me here. I'm gonna go to the print section and take a look at the large postcard size, just because that gives me a really good like horizontal layout to work with. And after I'm done, I can always move this to a bigger size if I wanted to, by transferring the document to Photoshop. In any case, I think I'm going to choose this one. I like that it already has it at a 300 ppi as well, which is a very high resolution, which will make for a crisp print once I want to print it. So here we go. This is the document.